Hi everyone, today we are doing an oil change on a 2011 GMC Sierra. As you can see, he's got the truck pulled up on the ramps here and he is draining the oil. We're going to climb up under here and see what's going on.
Alright, so this is what I use for an oil change on my truck. 6 quarts of oil, a filter, oil catch can, paper towels, a filter, a mallet because you have to beat the oil fence right on, 15mm socket, a wrench, and the most important thing when you're doing a job like this in South Georgia, hold on, I'm going to show you the most important tool right there. That's the most important tool you need in South Georgia. It's 8:30 in the morning and it's already 90-something degrees. So, it's humid as all get out. But, easy to change the oil.
Alright, he's already drained the oil here, as you can see. Now how did you drain it? You just unscrewed that thing right there.
Drain plug, 15mm. And then I have a socket that beats on, that goes on the oil filter. But these, if you see it right here, it's in the oil. That's how oily it gets because oil pulls everything. This right here, you put a socket on it. Put what I got in my hand on it so you can screw it off. And of course, as everybody knows, they put the oil filter right by the frames and the bars, so you get oil all over everything that you have to clean off. You know, it's every GMC has always been like that, or every Chevrolet to me. So now we got to clean the oil off. Well, I do. I don't like my truck oily, so.
What are you cleaning it off with?
Brake fluid on a rag.
So you're going to just check it to make sure it fits.
Yeah.
Because you got the oil filter from where, Walmart?
I got it from O'Reilly's.
Oh, okay. So
But
he got his...
it's been a couple of times. Every time I go up there, they sell me the wrong. When I tell them what I got, I get the wrong size filter, so I've had to make trip back. So I always double check before I fill it up to make sure it's the right one. Yep. That's what I wanted to do. Alright, so now I'm gonna fill it up with oil.
Okay, hold on. Alright, so the manual told you how many things of oil to use.
6 quarts.
6 quarts?
Yep.
And how do you know what kind of oil to choose?
It tells you in the manual. It's 530 for these trucks.
Okay. So you're just pouring it in there.
Yeah, I like to pre-oil my filters so it's not too much of a dry start, and that takes a little while. So I just filled it up with oil.
What's up here?
That's the oil fill.
So this is where you pour the oil in at?
Mm-hmm. Yes, ma'am.
Let's see. Let's get it.
That's where you add the oil on the GMCs, and there's a dipstick. And look at my nasty engine that I need to clean. Remover wrench is all it is. Nothing crazy, nothing fancy. Just.
And you can purchase one of these at any auto place and one to fit your vehicle size.
Yeah.
And you need this to remove
And install.
and install the oil filter.
Yeah. Most guys know what they are. I mean, these trucks, the banded ones that people put on there, Chevrolets are hard. With the way they got the oil pan, you can't hardly get them on. You can get them on there, but it's aggravating because there's no room. But this, to me, this is the easiest way to use it. Put it on, and all this does is slides right on the bottom of the oil thing, just like that. So you can tighten it. Build her up. Look at it now. See how you don't hardly see none in it?
Where did it go?
It soaked in to the paper on the inside.
So it's got like a coffee filter thing on the inside of it?
No. It's a little more than a coffee filter, baby. Oh man, you're so funny. You're so funny. And yeah, these don't fit on there real well, y'all. If that's what you're asking. Alright, let's go see if we can get it up under there. Use the tool to tighten it, boy. If it fits on there good, you gotta press, because it don't fit on there real good. She's pretty tight. There we go.
And that's it? You're done?
Besides putting the oil in. Besides putting the oil in. And she'll be done. Alright, we can come up top now.
I better be careful. He might be trying to make me do this next time. Okay, it's got 1 quart going in. So you're using a funnel on this one. Just makes it easier to pour.
Yeah, I don't like pouring oil on my truck. Don't like pouring oil on my truck. So I got to stop and get the oil off the lines. There. Man, I hate that. Now I'm ready. So much better.
And you just pour and till it fills up, or that's the exact measurements?
This is 5 quarts. That's 1 quart.
So pretty much it
That makes 6 quarts with a filter.
But can you see in there if it gets to the rim?
No. No, there's no
way of telling?
looky glass to look in there. You just know you just know how many quarts. You have to read your manual.
And you just have to know how to work that old stick.
Takes 6 quarts. 5.3 takes 6 quarts, so.
Tell us.
Once you crank it up, once you fill it, crank it up, do your oil pressure, and then on the new trucks, as you can see, we have 100% oil life now because I already reset it. It was at low. So to reset it, once you put it on there, you press the little arrow up. If you ever hold that down, and that just resets your oil level. And then when we go back, and as you can see, my truck has 111,000 miles on it. We do drive it, so I don't know if that's a lot of miles for one of these trucks, but DOD's been turned off and it's been HP tuned, so I don't have to worry about it going into V4. Mine stays in V8 all the time. And it's dirty, it's time for a bath. We've done some trips in it, so. All right, she's good. Now we want to check it for leaks.
Hi Hi guys, this is Debbie here. Usually I'm the face behind the camera. I'm the one who videos him and asks a whole lot of questions. But my crazy husband has this wonderful idea to do the next oil change. I think he's lost his blasted mind. Just as of yesterday, I didn't know the difference between a screw and a bolt. So I'm going to just leave it up to you guys and you tell me what you think. Do you think that I can actually, by his direction, get up underneath here and do the next oil change? So leave us some comments below. We'd like to know what you think. See ya.